Berrylicious shower cream and indeed the rhubarb and custard version are amazingly easy to use. A pot like this will last for absolutely ages. You don't need a lot, and they're great for all skin types to use in the shower. You could use them in the bath as well, but I rarely bath, so I just started this earlier when I had a shower, and I thought, no, while it's out, before it's all gouged and whatever, I'll do a quick video and show you how to use it. So I have a trusty bowl of water here, and I've got a shower puff. I know it's plastic, but it's not single-use plastic. I use a shower puff most of the time if I'm using this, if I'm not using soap in a soap bag. Mainly I do, but sometimes I like to switch it up and use some of this as an alternative. These shower puffs, they last for years. I have heard that if you want to like sanitize them, you can put them in the dishwasher. I haven't done that, but all you do is in the shower, obviously you wet your shower puff, and you only need, I mean, I tend to do a bit, I sort of divide my body into 4 quarters, and I do sort of this arm and this arm, and then the legs, and so that's all you need for like a quarter of your body, and you just smush it in. I mean, this is cold water, so it's in hot water and a running shower. It will agitate a lot better, but you can see all the foam that's starting to be created just by that little tiny bit, and that, as I say, is enough to do a quarter of your body, depending on where I am. I mean, if I'm at home, I've got a shelf to keep this away from the water, so I can just grab a little bit at a time, kind of thing. But if you were somewhere where there isn't like somewhere to keep this dry, then you could just take the whole amount, probably about that much is enough for your whole body, and then I tend to sort of smush a bit of it in and wash and just keep this in my hand rather than putting the whole lot in and having it sort of rinse away with the water. So I sort of add a little bit, because you can always add more, but you can't, you know, if you add too much, it's just going to wash down the plug hole and it's going to be wasted, and I don't like wasting product. So yeah, you just literally, and then you just wash with it. It's just amazing. It smells incredible and rinses straight off and leaves your skin, thanks to the addition of all the apricot kernel oil, it leaves your skin feeling really soft, really nourished, really cared for, and smelling incredible. So there's the Berrylicious fragrance, which is like strawberries, blackberries, raspberries, and then you've got rhubarb and custard, which is a rhubarb fragrance with some vanilla in there. Obviously there's no custard in there. If there was, it would be vegan custard, but it's yeah, it's got some vanilla extract in it, which is hence the rhubarb and custard whole thing. So yeah, that's how you use them. Simple as that.